This video will introduce the FactoryTalk AssetCentre web client. The web client has been completely rewritten, updated, and modernized. It allows users to perform archive operations, including checkout and check-in of files and folders, depending on user privileges. This is the default view when opening the web client. Users may also view and filter event, audit, and diagnostics and health logs. We can now create, modify, and delete schedules. Turning on and off a schedule is as simple as clicking the radio button. With a lifecycle information selection in the menu, a summarizing dashboard has been added to the web client to dramatically improve usability. The dashboard aggregates all inventory files that are found in the on-premise system. By clicking on one of the categories within a dashboard widget, the filtered products will appear in the report view. Columns can be turned on or off. Clicking on Export in the report view writes the filtered information to a CSV file. Viewing and manually executing searches can also be completed. Users may view database usage and set database limitations, such as overall database size, archive version limits, and maximum size of the database table capturing logs, and schedule maintenance activities for the index fragmentation, as well as the removal of log records. The Help section in the menu opens the FactoryTalk AssetCentre Help web page. In addition to the web client's capabilities, users can also centrally view multiple FactoryTalk AssetCentre systems from a single browser. Hover over the Browser tab to see the name of the AssetCentre system. This concludes the web client overview for FactoryTalk AssetCentre. For more information, please view the web client table of contents knowledge base article and visit the web client videos on each capability for a more in-depth tutorial. Thank you for watching.